I'm Anil Kumar and we'll explore a simple sequence in this particular case. However, this sequence is neither arithmetic nor geometric. The question is, determine the next three terms of the sequence. It is 3, 5, 10, 12, 24, 26, 52. So let's write them slightly bigger and then understand what the sequence could be. So 3, 5, 10, 12, 24, 26, 52, and so on. So what do you observe in this sequence? So we say that the difference in the terms here is plus 2, right? When you go to the next one, and then it becomes 5 or it becomes 2 times. But when you go from 10 to 12, then the difference is plus 2, and even from 24 to 26, the difference is plus 2. However, we find a different pattern when we go from second term to the third term. So if I go from second to the third term, it is times 2, right? 12 times 2 is 24, and similarly 26 times 2 is 52. Now the question is, determine the next three terms. So now, since it is times 2 already done, what we need to do is add 2, right? So we can now add 2 to get the next term. So if I add 2 here, what do I get? I get 54. And once I have added 2, at that time I have to now, to get the next term, do what? Times 2, right? So now let me do times 2. Times 2 to get the next term. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 5 times 2 is 10. So we get 108. And the third term which we can get from here is really by adding 2, right? So we added 2. So what do we get? We get 110. So that is how you can actually get the sequence, and therefore the next three terms for us are 54, 108, 110, right? Now the exercise for you is to write a general term for the given sequence. Now that is a difficult question, so that is a thinking and communication question for you. Tips: you need to write a general term Tn for the given sequence, correct? So what you can do here is, the hint for you is, you can write for odd n's and even values of n's. You get two different expressions and they should help you to find the equation for the sequence. So that is an exercise for you to do. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.